Okay, in this video I'm going to try and help you understand how to create ratios when the unit of measure is different. And that might be illustrated fairly easily by looking at this question. The other day my little brother and I had a walking race. We had 30 seconds to walk as far as we could. I managed to walk about 8 meters. My 1-year-old brother walked 80 centimeters before he fell over. Okay, so write the ratio which would describe this very unequal race. Well, if you're comparing the person who's talking to the brother, then you would write 8 meters to 80 centimeters. Okay? But really what you need to do is you need to get the units of measure to be the same. So you're going to have to make sure that you understand how to convert to different units of measure in order to carry out these sorts of changes. Okay? So why don't we, as we've got 80 centimeters here, 8 meters here, why don't we change the meters to centimeters? So when we have 8 meters, you should remember from a previous video that 8 meters translates to 800 centimeters. All right, and then we just keep the 80 centimeters the same because that's not changed. We don't have to convert that. And now if we want to simplify or we want to reduce the ratio, we just find the greatest common factor of both of these and we can work it out. All right, so one easy way of doing that is to say, well, right, okay, I can divide this by 10. That would give me 80 centimeters, and this would be 8 centimeters. Okay, and I could I could divide this by 8, and that would give me 10 centimeters, and this would give me 1 centimeter, and we could probably stop there. So as I've said before in a previous video, although the actual quantities, the actual amounts are changed, the relationship between these two is not changed. Okay? Remember that ratio is comparing two things. It is showing the relationship, how they are connected to each other. And so even though we simplify a ratio down to what we've got in the box here, the relationship, the connection is still unchanged. Okay, so you're okay. You're not saying anything that's untrue here. Okay, so this is the same as saying that whoever wrote this statement here is saying that for every 10 centimeters I walked, my little brother walked 1, so it's 10 to 1. Okay, and again, you can write that 10 to 1, or you can write it 10 over 1. Okay? All right, so I hope you found that helpful. Good luck.